I don't know. I'm really enjoying. Hello. Please, can I see you for a minute? Good day, how you doing? When I have not been seeing you around.
I'm not around.
Are you from this village?
Of course.
From what family?
Chief Madeka's daughter.
Oh. The barrister that stays in the city?
That stays in Lagos, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hi. I don't know you have it. Beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you.
You know, I know your father, then I was kind of
We don't come to the village.
yeah, before I traveled down to the States. Well, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
I don't know, forgive my manners. I'm Prince Collins.
I'm Mary.
Mary.
Yeah.
Beautiful name.
Thank you.
When, have you heard about the contents of me having a wife?
No, I've not.
You haven't?
No, I've not.
I would say you're the only person that I've not had. But let's leave that. I'm the one I want to take a wife. Okay, so I know what I want. And for me, I would say you're my type.
Like, seriously?
I'm serious. I would like us to be friends.
Fine, we are friends. Who rejected friends?
Love pattern, okay? Alright, so where are you going?
I'm doing an errands.
Alright, no problem. Alright, can go along. Then I believe I will see some other time.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
I used to be. My friends, that girl is 100% pure and clean.
Wow. Both the height, the shape, everything about her is 100. That's the type of girl I want you to be.
See that girl? I will get her. I will get that girl. Alright, no problem.
Yes, my friend Roland.
Jacob.
Have you noticed that this our community is blessed with beautiful girls?
Jacob.
And your girlfriend is not an exception.
What of your own?
My girlfriend, she's fine.
Yes,
she's beautiful. She's quite beautiful, but not to be compared with your queen.
What about that? That reminds me, Jacob.
Uh-huh.
My girl is demanding a lot of money from me.
Don't you know that the prince is back? Don't you know that the prince is back?
Please come back. What concerns me?
You should be concerned because the reason why the prince is back is because he wants to choose a medium from this land. And the king is organizing all the mediums of this land for a contest. And then the prince is going to pick the most beautiful out of them. And it might happen to be your beautiful girlfriend that the prince is actually going to take as a wife.
You see, because of that, she demanded a lot.
That is what it should be.
Just like
even my own girlfriend, every girl in this village are all demanding money from their boyfriends so as to appease the prince. They want to be the next queen of this land. That's what they are planning to do.
Then let her come and carry me now. Bagan, I will not give her again. Bagan, huh? Let's see how that day will go.
Anyway, you never can tell. On that day, it might actually be your girl that the prince is going to choose.
Let him carry. I don't mind.
Okay, carry. Let's just wait and see.
Dickie. Dickie, that girl we saw today, while we are waiting for Mazo Keke. Yeah, I don't know. Remind me.
She said her name is my prince. She said her name is
Prince. Yeah.
She said her name is Mary.
Mary.
Yes, my
Yes, yes. I knew you'd be the one to remember her name.
I'm sorry, my prince.
There is something about that girl. Ever since today I set my eyes on her, I've not been myself. I think I'm liking her. Yes.
my prince. That girl.
Yeah.
That girl is 100% okay. She from a decent home.
Yeah. It's from a decent home because I know her father. Then I was late before I traveled down to the States. And then I think she's good for me.
Yes,
Right?
my friends.
You know, not like all these girls that I used to see around there. Like all these village girls I do anyhow with.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? You know, I think I can properly introduce her to my parents. So what do you think?
My prince, I believe she's the best choice for you. She's from a decent family. If I should select, I'll select her. Not all those girls that is spreading.
Hey, it's okay, idiot. And you know, I think she's the kind of girl I can properly introduce her to my parents. Right?
Yeah, that kind of girl is okay to bring into this home as your wife.
Into this palace.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not all these village girls that cannot even wash their. You understand? I'm sorry, man.
You Dickie, at times I don't understand you. You know, at times the kind of word you use at times I don't like it.
I'm sorry, my friends.
Well, no problem. I will see what I will do about that girl. I believe I'll meet her next time. Okay? You can go and get water for me. Who's keeping this boy?
Good day, my prince.
Yeah. Where is she?
She's coming, she's right behind me.
What do you mean she's right behind me?
I went to her house and I delivered the message. She said she will be behind me. She's coming. I believe she's even here, my prince.
Gorgeous city.
Good day, my prince.
Wow.
Good day.
Yeah. Good day. Yeah, I sent for you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Well, I'm sorry for any inconvenience I must have caused you.
No, there's nothing.
Are you sure? Well, I sent for you because I have something I want to tell you.
I'm here.
Ever since I set my eyes on you, I can't be myself.
Oh, why?
I just don't know. It's just that I just can't tell. I mean, many things inside me change. See, I want us to be more than friends. Alright?
I don't know what to say.
Really, all I want you to say is just say yes to me. Alright, see, this is the place my father came for me to go stay. This place I just love staying. You know, it's private. So my parents will come to visit me once in a while. You understand? So you are free to come anytime, okay? And then you're just free to come at any time. Alright? See, I even want to introduce you to my family. I want you to meet my family. Alright? You know, she makes you a lot. Alright? And very soon I will send this across to you. So, anyway, do you accept me?
Yes.
Wow! Come here. Alright, yeah, so I want to go out of town. Alright? I'll be right back. Alright?
Oh, my prince, I can't leave you to go out alone.
Why?
It's my duty to safeguard you.
I just want to take a stroll with her.
For my prince, my king will be angry if he noticed that you went out alone. I might lose my job.
Solo,
My prince.
I give you order. Do you understand me?
Yes, my prince.
Just take the key. I'll be right back in the jiffy. Alright?
Yes, my prince. My prince, do take care of yourself.
You don't have to be tired. It's your choice. You must be going message for. But Solo,
DK,
there's something I want to tell you.
what is it again?
Don't you think that it's the right time we ask those girls to bring out our national cake?
I don't understand what you mean. DK no will explain more better now.
How can we be calling those maidens only for friends? Every time he will be busy changing them one after the other. Huh? It's right time we tell them to bring something, to bring that thing that they used to offer the prince. Huh? It's the right time they offer it to us.
Okay, wait. You mean the national cake Prince Collins will be eating?
Hey.
DK, now you are talking.
We are talking. How can we be calling those maidens for the prince all the time. Huh?
DK, you are right. Are we no human beings? How can we, every time we bring them to the prince? Our own thing now is functioning now.
It's the right time that we talk to those girls. Anyone that did not compose or comply, we'll cut them off.
DK, you are right. But the real issue now is, how are we going to do it?
I have plans. We are going to be telling them one by one to bring out our own national cake. If they do not bring it, anyone that refuses to bring her own national cake will not be among for the maidens. Pure, very simple.
DK, you are right. But you know, there's one particular girl that refused the prince to date her. That is our main problem. And that girl might do a possible best to cut us.
Don't worry, we'll get to that bridge. We shall cross over. All of them are now desperate to have the prince.
Yeah, it's true.
Just let's be good.
DK no way.
Linda.
Amanda, baby.
How far?
This one
Your face is like every time your face is always blue. What is it?
My dear own.
Guess what?
What?
I've gotten my own costume.
Oh, are you asking me this one? My face is like this.
What are you saying? Are you not coming? Are you not going to participate or what?
I'll participate now.
Hey, yeah,
You know that I don't have anybody in this one. My parents are dead.
So what about what is that your boyfriend's name again? Jacob.
Jacob? Ah, that one. You don't have money.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not going to do that. You know John?
John?
That one that used to stay at top one name here now.
Okay, John.
You know he has money and he's in town. Why don't you go and ask me for money? It might be your friend.
So you just dash me money. Just like that.
Just go and try. Yeah. Choose the power every time. Just go and try.
Okay.
I have to leave, yeah?
Alright. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye.